Bread is the most valuable and common food between every table in the world. Since bread was an important part of everyone's food, wheat production was an industry of honor and mastery. It was therefore incumbent upon us to make the effort and experience it deserved. Degirmencioglu Machinery, which was established in 1977, is the ironwork industry of Konya, started to produce 100 square meters of area. With the increase of production, Konya has continued to operate in an area of 800 cubic meters in Anadolu industry. Degirmencioglu Machinery started to export in a short period of time. In 1999, Degirmencioglu Machinery Sanayi ve Ticaret Limited, taking the title of STI, the company continued to strengthen its own 6,000 cubic meters closed area production. In 2002, Degirmencioglu Dish Ticaret Limited Şirketi, DEGPA, brand sales and marketing activities have started to be more systematic and comprehensive. Degirmencioglu Machinery succeeded in improving its factories with the quality that it established abroad, also accelerated its sales to the foreign market by taking the registration of MILLTECH brand in 2007. With the increase of sales and production in 2017, it was moved to the modern building with a total area of 20,000 cubic meters, including 14,000 cubic meters closed area built in Konya organized industry. Degirmencioglu Machinery exported 98% of its total production, in addition to Turkey, with the experience of the past quarter century. Russia, Brazil, Denmark, Romania, Uzbekistan to South Africa, exports to 37 countries. Flour, Semolina, is engaged in Turkey installation of corn flour and feed mills. A total of 33 types of machines in the cleaning and annealing group, 12 kinds of machines in transport section. In the grinding group, 35 kinds of machines are produced. Degirmencioglu Machinery, which keeps quality and customer satisfaction in manufacturing, gives importance to research and development activities. Within the scope, KOSGEB, TÜBİTAK technology development centers and universities in partnership with many projects have signed and continue to work without interruption. Infrastructure studies were started within the scope of industry. 4.0 short, medium and long-term strategies were formed accordingly. Research and Development Department, which attaches importance to product efficiency and aesthetics, constantly improves the machine it produces and reflects modern and innovative designs, not only with the developing technologies of the world, but also at the same time. Degirmencioglu Machinery continuously increases the competitive power both in domestic and foreign trade fairs and international markets. Dealing with all sorts of possibilities with years of experience, Degirmencioglu also has the stones of products that customers may need for any negativity that they may have in production. Degirmencioglu Machinery, which grows its market by increasing its number of customers every passing day, establishes a solid friendship bridge with all its customers and suppliers for technological product and customer satisfaction.